You can also create out your own logos for your brand kits inside of VistaCreate. So for that, over here you can see that I am in the home page of VistaCreate, and now I'm going to click on brand kits right here. So once I go around over here, you can see on the logos section, you can press the plus button, and over here you can see upload your logo file is the first option, while the second option is create your logo from scratch by using the DIY logo maker. So I'm going to go around and click on create logo right here, and I'm just going to go around and type in TutorTube right here just like this. So let's just go around, type in TutorTube right here and click on next. So it says what is your industry, so I'm just going to go around and say education right here just like this, and this is going to be let's say educational institution right here, and click on next right here. It says add in a tagline, so I'm just going to go around and say keep on learning right here. So let's just go around and say keep on learning, and I can go around, press enter or press next right here. So now it says which keyword describe your ideal logo image. So I'm just going to go around over here and say tutor tube right here and click next as well. And it says where will you put your logo, in business card and flyers, let's say in clothing and hat. Let me just go around and choose all of it right here, and in something else I'm just going to go around and say app as well. So let's just click on show logos, and then what happens is that the logo maker will use predefined templates right here to generate out the logo for you. So you can see that there's this keep on learning right here and so forth, and you can go around, change around your info as well, and you can filter out the layouts by stacked or icons to the left right here according to how you like as well. And as you do that, you can see that the logo choices changes out. You can also go around over here and choose, let's say for example monogram right here, and you can go around and choose, let's say for example abstract like logos. So you can see that I have a new logo now just with that. So you can see that I can go around and add in icons right here and filter out the generated logos according to how you want right here. So you can go for icon left or right according to how you want, just like this. So once you find the logo that you want to use, you can simply go around and click on, let's say for example customize right here. So you have many different logos to choose from, so let me just go around and utilize this and click on customize. So once you do that, over here you can see the logo displayed in different backgrounds, and you can choose the different style of the logo as well. So let's say I like this one, so I'm just going to click on it, and you will see how it would look on different objects as well, just like this, like in websites, like in app, like in kind of my business cards right here, like in stickers, as you can see, just like this. And then you can click on finish with the logo, and what happens is that the logo will be generated based on the settings that you actually chose right here, and it is loading as you can see, and the logo is being generated. So this is what you have, and it says congrats on your logo. So you can click on download logo, the logo package, to download it out for use as well, just like this. It'll download it as a zip file, or you can click on save and continue, and it saves out the logo, and then it'll keep it right here for you to use with your designs inside of VistaCreate, as you can see, this like this. And that is how you can use the logo maker to create your own logos inside of VistaCreate. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.